What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you the Facebook Ad Manager statistics section of HighLevel. This is a new release which will allow us to view our statistics for all of our campaigns right within the Ad Manager on GoHighLevel. Let's dive right in. Now, inside of our Ad Manager, which is on our sub-account level under Marketing and then Ad Manager, we have two different screens. We have our campaign screen and our statistics screen. Campaigns is where we can view all of our currently published, drafted, failed, interview, and paused campaigns, as well as create new campaigns and manage settings. And statistics is the screen that I'm going to be showing you today. Now, if we navigate to statistics, we can now view all of our different statistics and data coming from our Facebook campaigns. This is where we can view things such as impressions, revenue, cost per click, and so much more. Now, if we take a look at this screen, we'll see a conversion summary right at the top. We'll be able to see our impressions, our clicks, our conversions, as well as our cost per click, cost per conversion, and cost per 1,000 impressions, as well as our total spend on the right-hand side. Additionally, on this screen at the top left side, we'll be able to view all of our different pages and check which ones we want to be viewing our statistics for. And then we can also have a date selector to say what time period we are actually looking at our statistics for this ad. So we're going to go for this week, and then we can see our statistics screen right here. Now, if we scroll down, we'll be able to see our performance analysis, which will show us a more detailed chart with our impressions, clicks, and conversions right at the top. And then at the very bottom, you will see our campaign details. This will be more like the regular screen that we're used to seeing in the Facebook Ad Manager, where we can see our campaigns themselves with their names, status, clicks, revenue, ROI, cost per click, and so much more. Additionally, we can change this section by clicking columns on the right-hand side. So if we click this, then we can select which sets of data we want to actually see for our ads. So let's say we just want to see, let's say, cost per click, clicks, and revenue. Then we can uncheck all of these boxes that we don't need. So there's our status, clicks, revenue, and cost per click, and then we'll see just that data in this screen below. Additionally, we can click export in order to export this data right from the Ad Manager. And when we export that data, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to include all of our information like our campaign name, status, clicks, all the different statistics that we just took a look at. This screen is super helpful because we'll be able to navigate between different accounts and look at different campaigns to see all of our different statistics that we're getting from our Facebook ads. And of course, details like this will also be available in the reporting section to include in scheduled reports if you want to use it that way. The statistics section of the Ad Manager is going to be a huge help, and I'm super happy to get to announce it to you guys and let you guys see more improvements as this comes for the rest of the year. If you have any questions about the statistics screen or the Ad Manager itself, leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.